Understanding road hazard, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, road hazard. This term is not just useful for drivers, but it's also a great way to expand your English vocabulary. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it. Road hazard is a compound noun, made up of two words, road and hazard. Let's look at each word separately. Road. This is a straightforward term referring to a wide path made for vehicles to travel on. Hazard. This word means something that is potentially dangerous or poses a risk. When we combine these two, road hazard refers to any danger or risk that is found on the road. To understand road hazard better, let's look at some common examples. Potholes. These are holes in the road surface that can damage vehicles. Ice or water. Slippery conditions that make driving dangerous. Debris. Objects on the road that shouldn't be there, like fallen branches. Animals. Crossing wildlife can be unexpected hazards. Understanding these examples can help you recognize road hazards in real life and in conversations. Now, let's practice using road hazard in some sentences. 1. The city council is discussing how to reduce road hazards in our neighborhood. 2. Driving at night can be difficult due to increased road hazards. 3. Always be attentive to road hazards, especially in bad weather. These sentences show how road hazard can be used in various contexts. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of road hazard and how to use it in your daily English. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a key part of mastering a new language. Stay safe on the roads, and see you in our next video.